Hey guys, so as you can see, I am opening up a package that I got from AliExpress. I saw this on the doll channel. Um, One of the ladies that I follow, she has this doll body that is really, really cute, curvy in all the right places. And she put it on a Barbie's head. So I know that sounds kind of weird, but as I'm opening it, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, towards the end of this video, I couldn't quite find the doll head yet that I wanted, but I will insert a picture afterwards of what Barbie doll head I chose to go with this type of body. Now, as you can see, I'm over here trying to really pull out and push out the box that is covered. And so right now I'm showing you all the cards that came with it. Here's another card. The QR code didn't work. And then here's a booklet with all the other parts and other dolls that you can get. I'm going to move this box out the way so you can see it better. I'm going to do a quick flip through. Yes, the dolls are blushed. Their bodies are blushed and detailed, as you can see in the photos. And that's the A10 that I have there. She's very curvy, cute. And then those are all the different type of hands. The guys are on the black page. And then this is how to, like, attach the legs and stuff. So there you go. Up next, I'm bringing back the box so we can finally open it and you can see what's going on. Everything's nicely wrapped. There goes the different type of hands I will be showing you later on, and a pair of feet that has the arch. I'm probably taking it out so you guys can see. Yeah, there goes the feet. All these parts have blush in it. It just makes it look more realistic. And here goes a set of hands. And here's another set there. And I'm trying to kind of like move it fast so you can see. To all displaying the hand sets that come, it's like 4 sets of hands and then the articulated feet. And now I am setting it up so I can display it for you, and I will be turning the camera so you can see all of them at a glance. Here, there you go. And then they're like those are the clothes, the underwear, and the little bra thing. And the material is the seamless material. So like, if you wore like a pair of pants, you wouldn't be able to see the underwear because it's seamless. I don't know what that was. Maybe that's to keep the moisture out. And I have no idea what that is. And here is the body coming out of the bag. Now she does come with flat feet. And it's articulated like the made to move bodies that you see. You see the joints? Like I said, the body's already blushed, very detailed. Her legs can turn 360. The joints and the feet right there, and those are flat feet. And then there goes the hands that came with it. There goes the joint. So it's more of a realistic look of the body. She's a lot thicker than the made to move curvy body. And I'm just showing you how it turned there. And at one point, I did change out the feet. I think I was pulling off the feet at this point. And sorry, guys, for the long pause. But yeah, so now I'm changing out the feet. And it was just a little bit of a struggle to put on the last foot that I put on. That one, you had to put some force to it. But I got that one on pretty quick, which wasn't bad at all. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like. And there you go. See, one foot is elevated and the other one is flat. And then you can see the side profile really quick. She has a big butt. So typically, she can't wear Barbie's clothes, but she can fit Ken's top. Like if you guys ever had the Ken dolls, that was the Looks dolls, and it came with the silver pants and the that big black shirt. She can fit that. Now, of course, it's not hugging her; it's a little bit loose, but if you was to throw like a quick outfit on her, she could fit that. And the made to move basketball Barbie, with the white shorts and the dark blue stripe with the pink pinstripe, she could fit those pants perfectly because they have a lot of stretch to it. And I will also leave a picture in there towards the end so you can see. Now, I was struggling. When I say I was struggling, I was struggling to get this other foot in, but I finally got it in. I'm telling you, that one foot, I am so not, I'm not going to change her feet. Once it's arched like that, that's it. I also was playing around with shoes. And so, of course, her feet is too big for Barbie's, but she could fit rainbow high heels and naturalista heels. So, with a doll like this, of course, the clothes is going to be a little bit bigger in size. But the shoes are pretty easy. You can find the Rainbow High shoes now on eBay and other places that they would sell them if you don't have Rainbow High shoes laying around. And I'm still on the struggle bus trying to get that foot on. Oh my gosh, it was such um a nightmare trying to get that one foot on. But it worked out eventually. So, yeah. But later on, I'm trying to decide because I do have a doll channel. I love the way that this doll is just totally different all on her own. So, I don't know. I might have her uh have her own thing going. For those who like the realistic dolls, she may just have a whole account by herself. I haven't decided that yet. But yeah, so we will see as time goes on. I did see a couple of outfits that she could wear. That was on AliExpress that's not costing an arm and a leg. But this doll, I fell in love with the body. I was just like, wow. And then the fact that a Barbie head can actually fit on there. Yeah. So now here you are, the arched feet. And they are very detailed. Okay. Yep. So there it is, you guys. There goes the flat feet, which I will not be putting back on. Thank you very much, because that was a serious struggle. So as of right now, I'm putting that aside. Um, this doll to me is curved in all the right places. And there goes the hands again. And I am looking through the hands because I wanted to see which one. Yes. So I was going to change out the hand. So the hands are very easy to slip on and slip off. And I show you how to do it. Boom. And then I put the wrong hand on. Notice that. And I got to take it back off and then put on the correct one. But they're really easy to pull off and pull on. So, and with that, maybe the wear and tear would be a little bit quicker, but I have a solution for that. You just put a very thin layer of the glue gun glue, just a very thin layer. And then once you do that, let it dry, and then you stick the hands back on, and they have a more secure grip. So, yeah. And I'm probably switching out the hands right now. That's why you don't see me. So now, as you've seen, I'm probably trying to find something so I could put her on. And then the next part is finding the head, like I said. Okay, so there she is, and I'm trying to stand her up the best way I know how. Removing all the hands and stuff so I can put them back in that little bag so they don't get lost. I'm excited to see what type of photos and stuff I will be able to do with her. I, again, love the fact that I found out that she can wear rainbow high shoes. I had my daughter, I said, grab me a pair of shoes and let me see. So she found one shoe that was silver, and I put it on her feet and it fit perfectly. So I am loving that. It's so funny, like I got rid of so much rainbow high shoes and things like that, and now I'm like, dang, I done found another doll that could fit rainbow high shoes. So now I'm looking for rainbow high shoes to at least fit her, you know, unless I could find the rainbow high shoes that I had in the little case, but I don't think I have those anymore. Or maybe I do. So there, okay, so I styled her. There goes her body in the underwear. You can see the side, the front. I don't have the head for her because I'm now, after I'm going to show you this. Her body is absolutely beautiful. I wish she came in a darker tone, because the Barbie head that I really wanted to put on her does not match the skin tone. And I was not happy about that, because by far the one that I have, and I'm gonna be sitting her down here so she don't fall over anything. The mermaid one that I have that has that strawberry pink hair Yeah, I wanted her to have this body, but she was too dark. But eventually I did find one that I that matches the skin tone. And it's the Barbie that came out. She has such a soft, innocent, beautiful face. And like I said, I will post a picture towards the end of the video. You guys, thanks for watching. Um, I'll put some more details about this doll body if you want to obtain one yourself. And you can actually see, so I was thinking of the integrity because that would have been cool, right? But her skin tone didn't match, so that was that. And then eventually I brought out another one. I was trying to see if the Bratz would have worked. That wouldn't have worked. Not the Bratz, Mycene. The Mycene doll. Now the Mycene doll's head is, you see there, the skin tone is totally different. It's big enough and the proportion would have been great. But, like I said, it is not working at all. So, here I'm going to insert a picture of the doll's head that I chose. You guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.